Meet Anker Solix Power Dock Pro, a smart automatic transfer switch that enables seamless battery backup during power outages. Available in both single-phase and three-phase versions. It supports both whole home and partial backup. In this video, we'll walk you through how to get started with your Anker Solix Power Dock Pro from wall mounting to wiring. Safety first. Please note that Anker Solix Power Dock Pro system must be installed by a qualified electrician. Before we begin, check that all items are included in the package. You'll also need to prepare these tools and equipment for installation. Here's how you wall mount Anker Solix Power Dock Pro. Step 1. Use the marking template to locate the installation position on the wall. Step 2. Drill holes and install expansion bolts to secure the wall mounting bracket. Step 3. Align Power Dock Pro with the slots on the wall mounting bracket and hang it on the wall. Step 4. Secure Power Dock Pro to the wall mounting bracket with screws. Step 5. Open the Power Dock Pro door. Step 6. Loosen the screws and open the protective cover to access the internal components. Next, let's select the cable entry method. Here is an overview of the wiring layout. Anker Solix Power Dock Pro is available in two versions, single-phase and three-phase. The video will demonstrate the wiring with a three-phase whole home backup setup. For both connection types, you can choose between rear cable entry and bottom cable entry. Please select the method that best suits your installation environment. In this video, we'll demonstrate using bottom cable entry. Moving on, we'll show you how to connect communication cables. The ports are assigned to specific devices respectively. Please connect them accordingly. Incorrect connections will result in communication failure. Here are the different types of communication cables you'll need. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to connect communication cables by using Anker Solix X1 power module, X1H, 5-12, KT as an example. For COM3, crimp the RJ45 connector onto the communication cable. Here's how to connect communication cables. First, thread the communication cable through the cable gland. Secure the cable gland and pull the communication cable upward. Connect the communication cable to the appropriate communication port. Connect the other end of the communication cable to the X1 energy storage system. Once communication cables are connected, let's look into how to connect power cables next. Start by removing the cable entry knockouts to match your home's wiring setup. Then, install the cable glands. Crimp the lug terminals to the live wires and neutral wires. Crimp the OT terminals to the ground wires. Thread the power cables through the cable glands. Then, connect to the INV1 and INV2. This video demonstrates how to connect power cables by using Anker Solix X1 power module X1 5-12 KT as an example. Complete the power cable connection to the X1 energy storage system. Connect the backup load cables the same way. Connect the grid power cables. Connect the power cables to the smart port. Finally, connect the PEN conductor to the building's main earthing terminal, MET. Alternatively, you can also use rear cable entry method. The wiring process is the same for rear and bottom entry. Here's what the rear cable entry installation looks like when completed. Finally, here's how to reinstall the cover. Install the cable cover. Lastly, tighten the screws on the back of the cable cover. Reinstall the protective cover. Tighten the 6 screws on the protective cover. During normal use, do not touch the bypass circuit. Switch the circuit breaker to on to power up the system. Close the door. Tighten the screw. With that, you've successfully installed your Anker Solix Power Dock Pro. It's now ready to provide reliable backup power and smart energy management for your home.
Anker Solix. Live in power.